Hey guys, it's Kharyzma. So today I have a delivery from Poshmark. Yes, I have purchased from Poshmark before, and this time I want to do a Poshmark unboxing, and you're gonna get to see what I got from Poshmark. Okay, so this is how the box came. I already opened up the box, and now I'm gonna show you like the unboxing. So this is what it comes like when you purchase from Poshmark. Like when you get luxury items over a certain price, Poshmark will authenticate it for you, so you don't have to worry about like if your item is fake or not. Hold on. Yeah, so whether you purchase like a new item that's luxury or over a certain amount of money, Poshmark will authenticate it for you. Like items over $500, the seller will just have to mail it to Poshmark. Poshmark will authenticate it for you, make sure everything is right with it, and then Poshmark will send it to you. So you never have to worry about like losing a whole lot of money on Poshmark if you're purchasing luxury items or high-priced items, because what happens is if your item is not what the description says it is, if it's not authentic, then Poshmark will not release the money to the seller after they authenticate it and find that it's not what they said it was. They'll send it back to them. You'll get your money back, so you'll be okay. I'm not too sure about items under $500. They do have a guarantee, but I believe you will have to file a claim with them if it's under $400. So let's see what I got. Okay, so you see the Poshmark symbol all over, and this is the first time I've spent over $500 on an item on Poshmark. So, okay, I have a note in here that says, "Hope you love this bag as much as I did. Thank you." That's so sweet. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here we go. I put the camera on the tripod so you can see me opening it. So this is the note from the seller, which is really, really cute, and it's all packaged up. I'm just kind of mad that the bag was mailed flat. I don't want the bag to be, well, now you guys know it's a bag. As you can see. Look at that. It is the Speedy 30. It looks small though when it's, okay, because it kind of looked like the Speedy 25, but this is the 30. I love it. Just the locks need cleaning. Let's see. The zipper works well. The inside of the bag could use some cleaning. I see like some dust inside. You guys can't see because I don't have my light. And it has the, okay, so it's a little dirty inside. I see. They didn't really disclose all of that, but it's okay because I'm going to clean it. But it is authentic. Let me see if the date code is here. Hold on. I don't see it. This is where you put like the lock. Like if you have another like hook from like a smaller item, you put it on there. This is the inside pocket. Oh, I forgot. I think it's under here. I think the date code, I don't know where the date code is actually. Give me a second. Okay guys, so I found the date code. So what the deal is with this bag is that this is a pre-owned bag. I purchased a pre-owned bag because I didn't want to spend full price to get a brand new one, at least on this one. I do want a brand new one for another style. That's why I was like, well, I want to get, because I had this style before back in the day, but I sold it and then now I want it back again. So I didn't want to spend you know, full price for it. And that's why I got it pre-owned. And then I was looking for the date code. I could not find the date code. I had to go back to Poshmark, the original page, to look and see, because on the pictures that I saw there was a date code. So I'm looking all inside the bag for the date code, and then I'm like, this is not the same bag that they had in the picture. But no, it is. The date code was hidden. Let me show you. Okay, so I was looking for it here. I'm like, where's the date code? So it actually is here. You see where the pocket is? Underneath the pocket, there it is. That is the date code. And if any of you guys know about Louis Vuitton, you would take the first two, at least the old system. So it says AA4027. So that means, I think it means this, I don't remember. I think it's the week, it's the second week, the 42nd week of 2007. Yeah, they changed the date code system. Before, I think it used to be month and year. Now it's week and year. So 4027, you would take 4 and 2 for the week, and then 07 for the year. So the 42nd week of 2007, which would mean this bag is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 14 years old. There is a little bit of dirt inside the bag, like in the corner. You can't see here a little bit because, yeah, you can't really see, but yeah, I'm just gonna have to clean it. But overall, it's in pretty good condition. Like, the hardware is good, the handles are good, because that's what you want to look for. You don't want to get anything where the handles are messed up, because then they will break on you. The only thing I see here that I don't really care too much for is the zip pull. Like, it's still on and intact, but if you see here, like, there's a little wear and tear. So I feel like it's not gonna last too much longer before it breaks off. So I'll probably have to take it to the Louis Vuitton store and see if they can replace that. Also, I just have to clean the hardware, which is not a big deal. This is brass and this is brass. I just have to clean that. But the piping is intact. That's another thing too with this bag. This is the Speedy 30. Sometimes when you're buying like a used one, like the piping is messed up. That's not the case on this bag. So the piping is all intact, and overall, I love it. I love this size bag. The Speedy 30 is awesome. Hold on. Yeah, so overall, I love it. The Speedy 30 is awesome. It's a nice size bag. I'm just gonna buy an insert for it. The seller actually did have an insert, but she disclosed that she was pregnant, and she forgot to put the insert in because she took it out so that she could clean inside of the bag, and then she forgot to put it back in before she mailed it to Poshmark. So I said, all right, it's okay, I'll just buy an insert. And the purpose of the insert, you see how it was flat, like when she mailed it, like I wanted to maintain its shape. So I will purchase an insert. So I'll do a separate video to show you like how I like put the insert in for any of those of you who are interested, because I'm going to be doing lots of different videos like this on luxury items for those of you who already have them and just like to watch these videos like I do. And for those of you who are thinking about taking the plunge into purchasing luxury items, yeah, they're always fun to watch these videos, at least for me. Like, honestly and truly, they are really fun. But I'm very, very happy with my purchase. I love this bag. But my ultimate dream bag from Louis Vuitton is the Neverfull medium model. I have wanted that bag for years, and I think I want the monogram one. I really like, this is the Damier Ebene, yeah, Speedy 30. And I love this print too. I have another small bag like this as well. But I started collecting Louis Vuitton in 2001, and I started out with like small bags. But yeah, my dream one is the Neverfull medium model, the monogram print. And I feel like I want to get that bag brand new, because I don't know, I just feel like that's what I want. Like, I don't want a used one unless it's like nearly brand new. but I would like a brand new one because I just want one. So hopefully either by Christmas or my birthday next year I'll have it, but we never know. We never know what can happen. So yeah, so that's all for this video. I'll show you in the mirror what the bag looks like how I carry it. Let me show you right now. Okay, so this is how it looks. I was gonna stuff something in it, but again, I feel like I need to clean inside. So this is how it's looking on me, and I'm 5'3", and basically you can carry it like this. Like, I really love this bag because it's just like an easy bag to carry, like especially for the summertime. And you can purchase, no, I don't think you can put handle. Yeah, you can probably purchase a handle and attach it here, but I don't want to wear it like a crossbody. I rather like just put it around my wrist like that and just go. Like, it's really, really cute and I love it. So that's how it's looking. Yeah guys, so that's it for my unboxing of my new Speedy 30, and I'll do a follow-up video for you guys when I get the insert. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, my new style channel. My new style Instagram is Kharyzma for You Style, where I'll be showing you pictures of my outfits, pictures of my lifestyle, travel, all of those things. And it's a new Instagram page. I'll also be featuring luxury items and things like that, just to switch it up, have a whole new vibe. It's Kharyzma for You Style on Instagram, and my business Instagram is Kharyzma for You Fashion, where you can see like my lip gloss and other things about my business. Definitely check out kharyzmaforyou.com for lip gloss, cosmetics, and other goodies, and etsy.com/shop/kharyzmaforyou for my hair accessories, custom clothing, and more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow, subscribe, so you can stay posted on all of my videos. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.